What if I told you the supply chain of today looks more like a sci-fi movie than a factory floor? Forget what you think you know. Supply chains are being transformed by technology. AI predicts what customers will order before they do. Robots move packages faster than ever. Sustainability dashboards track carbon footprints. And all of this creates new, exciting jobs for tech-savvy young people like you or those curious and want to learn how to become a part of this community. Do you love tech, data, engineering, design, helping people? Supply chain careers are evolving fast and need new thinkers. You could be a data analyst optimizing global routes, a coder building inventory tracking systems, a designer creating smarter packaging solutions. The possibilities are endless. So if you're curious, creative, or a tech explorer, this industry is calling your name. Want to be part of something big? Because in today's world, technology plus supply chain is your future. Shape the future. Join the movement. Visit us at WIN-NextGen.org.